So today I wanted to do the unboxing for my spring Causebox. My battery on my camera is about to die, so I'm going to try and run through this pretty quickly. So this is how the box looks. It's like this nice purpley color with this little design on it. They always have the nicest boxes. And when you open it up, it looks like this. Comes with a little postcard. Then it comes with a little booklet about what your items are. So the first thing I have in here is this. I think this was a bag. Yeah, so this is actually a really nice tote bag. And I could totally see myself using this as my purse because that is really cute. It is, oh that's cool, provides 3 meals, feeding mouths, minds, and hope since 2007. So I guess if you buy this, it helps feed people, so that's super cool. It's got a few different pockets on the inside and then a bigger area. So I definitely think I'm going to switch over to this for my bag. So that is super nice, feels really good quality. The next thing I have in here is a compact portable charger. Keeps charged without trashing the planet. They have carbon neutral shipping, free e-waste recycling, and plastic free packaging. So I don't really remember what this was, but it's this cute little charger. I don't know if I picked this or if this is something that they picked, but it comes with your little USB and everything. Does it say how? Let's see. Tech for good. So I guess that it's still made like a normal battery for your devices, but I guess the company itself is just good for the environment from what I can tell. So that's super cool, really pretty. It's kind of heavy, but that's not a super big deal because I carry a lot in my bag anyways. The next thing that I have in here is the Stress Check Sleep Spray. It's a fast-acting vegan sleep spray with lavender and chamomile essential oils. It is a 99% natural pillow spray with lavender, chamomile, and patchouli essential oils to help support a good night's sleep. It says 97% slept better. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate-free, I think is the word. So it's from the brand This Works. So if you guys look for this on my blog, I'll try and review it. The next thing that I have in here are these stretch and exercise bands from the brand Magi. They are latex free. And basically what they are, if you guys haven't seen these, is they're just these little kind of silicone-y bands. I don't know if that's what they're made out of or not. These are made from TPR. So I'm having trouble pulling it apart, but if I can get it, there we go. They're kind of sticky on the inside, but basically you can do different exercises with them and they have different weights and stuff. So these are super cool. I actually already have some of these, but I just wanted to grab some more just because I really like using them for my workouts and they're just good to have on hand. The next thing in here is the Adidas New York Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Power Couple Nail Care Duo. So it comes with a little oil thingy. It comes with a nail growth optimizer and a Neuroflower cuticle oil. So I guess this is the optimizer and that's the oil. So I'm definitely going to be testing these out. As you guys might be able to see, I need to have my nails redone or do them myself, one or the other. The last thing in here, which is actually really large, is the Pure Lit Mist Blue Light Defense Illuminating Sitting Spray. Deliver instant hydration to the skin for an all-day radiant-looking glow with this illuminating sitting spray. In seconds, this spray helps revitalize the look of dull, tired skin, leaving behind a light shimmer for effortless radiance. This on-the-go spray is infused with antioxidants to help protect skin against environmental stressors throughout the day. So basically, you just spray this on your face and it helps. I think most of you guys probably know what setting spray is. See if it'll open easier on the bottom. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's like kind of like luminescent-ish, I guess is the word. Like it actually looks like a mist in here. See how it smells. It has a pretty light smell, so I feel like most people could use this without having an issue. So I will definitely be testing this out. The only other one I've tried is the Urban Decay All-Nighter, so it'll be interesting to compare the two. But yeah, I hope that that wasn't too fast for you guys. Like I said, my battery's dying, so I wanted to run through this really quickly. But I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!